This is problem number 5 from section 3.5. In this problem it says two functions f and g are related by the equation g of x equals f with an input of x plus 1 minus 1. So this is actually shifted to the left for f and down for f. Just so you know, that's what g is. So g is the f function shifted left and down 1. Use the numerical representation of f to make a numerical representation of g. Okay. Well, let's start by simply, they give us the x values for g. That makes this problem pretty easy because we can just input those x values here and figure it out. So we're going to start with g of 1. We're going to do g of 2. We're going to do g of 3, g of 4, g of 5. And we're just going to piece it together. So g of 1 is going to be f of 1 plus 1 minus 1, which is f of 2 minus 1, and f of 2 is 3. So that's 3 minus 1, which is 2. So g of 1 is 2. And we just pieced it together. So now we're going to plug in 2. So we have f of 2 plus 1 minus 1. That's f of 3 minus 1. F of 3 is 4. So we end up with 4 minus 1, which is 3. So g of 2 is 3. G of 3 is f of 3 plus 1 minus 1. So that's f of 4 minus 1. F of 4 we see is 7. So it's 7 minus 1, which is 6. G of 4, that's f of 4 plus 1 minus 1. Hopefully you see this pattern going. This is f of 5 minus 1. F of 5 we know is 8. So we get 8 minus 1, which is 7. And then finally we get f of 5 plus 1 minus 1. That's f of 6 minus 1. F of 6 is 11 minus 1, which is 10. So our solutions for the g function are 2, 3, 6, 7, and 10 for x values 1 through 5. Hopefully that makes some sense.